Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how you can resample a CT scan to another orientation using the Immulytics preclinical software that I show you here. So here I've loaded a bone scan of a mouse femur, I think, and you can find it here under CT cortical bone. And this is quite well aligned, but I'll just rotate it a bit to align it like in an off angle, so like a funny angle. And that is often the case when you scan your mouse. It just might not be aligned in the z-axis, which you would like to have for some analysis. So what you can do then is use the rotation tool here, this mouse mode, here, this one, and you can rotate it to straighten it here. So this is a bit bent, but I'll just try to make it a bit straight here. And you can, with this mouse mode, you can jump in the middle of the bone and then align it the way you want to have it here. Typically, if you put this, align this in one axis and this in the other, you have this nicely aligned and you can slice through orthogonally. And then you can use here this tool, Resample to viewing rotation. And this will sample from your volume in the orientation that you aligned here. So what you do with this interactive alignment or the rotation mouse mode is just changing the viewing slices that you fetch from the data. It does not change the data. So you can see the voxels are, if you rotate, they are a bit tilted here. But now if I call this resample to viewing rotation, they will be aligned. The voxels will be all straight. And you can enter a value here, like -1000 in Hounsfield units. This value is for the values outside, because the resampling will increase or will pad some values on the outside because it has to use a rectangular shape for it. So I execute this. So now it's resampled. Now it's done here. And now if you zoom in, you see that these voxels, they are nicely aligned with your viewing rotation. You can slice through here and the bone is nicely aligned. And if you activate the bounding box here, you see that now we have some more voxels on the outside. If you don't need them, or if you want to crop it again, you can use our cropping tool and try to crop to your bone, but just make sure that you don't lose any data. You can check that also in 3D. And then you can save the resample dataset here as a file, so you have it and you don't have to do this over and over again. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you and bye-bye.